So, hi guys, just some quick content. I was on the flea market yesterday. I took my camera with me, but I didn't make any videos because I met some friends and I wanted to talk with them and have a look around the flea market with them. And yeah, it was just not the moment to film. But I wanted to show you what I got for €5. 5 in letters. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got all of this. So this is a Canon EF mount camera body protection thing. You know, so it's like for here. Yeah, I think even I will include this when I sell the camera. Yeah, I will do that because I got the developed film from this camera and the pictures turned out quite okay. So yeah, this is a Rollei 48mm slip-on lens cap, also very nice. I will show at the side what every piece sells for. So this is Minolta eyepiece, also very nice. Maybe if I sell, I have a X300 or X700 camera, maybe I will put this on there. Then I have two with the old Minolta logo, 57mm lens caps. And then an Olympus LR1 lens cap for the back, and this is a lens hood for the Minolta or Sony 70 to 210. Yeah, also quite nice. So, and everything for this for €5 is like, it's basically free. What I also got from the flea market is two of these. This is a Mezzomix. I don't know, is there Mezzomix outside of Germany? I think it's just a German thing. It's like when you mix Coca-Cola with Fanta, then you get Mezzomix. Is Mezzomix from Coca-Cola or from Pepsi? I'm not sure. I think Mezzomix. Ah yeah, okay, Mezzomix is from Coca-Cola. So I got two of these for €2 and they sell for about €40 on eBay Kleinanzeigen. eBay Kleinanzeigen is like for when you sell something in the neighborhood or something like this. It's quite nice. I got some palm grades. And I think that's it. I didn't get much more from the flea market. So yeah, in a few minutes I will finish my Canon AE1 here. I will just do the mirror damper and then I can start shooting with this camera. In 3 weeks I'm going to Colombia and I will take, I'm not sure which camera I will take with me, but probably I will take like a Revue 400 SE because it is a f1.7 lens, which is nice in the lighting situations. But the camera I like more is this one. This is like the perfect camera for traveling, but it's just yeah, I'm not sure. I will have a look what I take with me. Like a camera with a flash would also be nice because then when I go out like to a pub or something like that and you meet some nice people, you can take some pictures with it. But yeah, so that's it. I will put all of these on Etsy. Let's have a look if these sell on Etsy too, because normally I would sell my lens hoods on eBay, because you have a big international audience there who buys them, but I think on Etsy it's quite a nice idea too, because then when you buy a camera from me and you can get like some accessories too. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.